Derma Prime Plus. Hi, my name is Ali Ray. I've been a researcher for over 15 years at one of the biggest hospitals in Cleveland, Ohio. One unfortunate event in my family led me to study and research anything related to skin care and renewal. I like to think this research helped anyone who is interested in maintaining a healthy skin. Seeing as I've gathered mountains of knowledge, I am ready to share it with the world. Because everyone deserves a better looking skin, whether you're a woman or a man. And while some acne, breakouts and even sunburns might be normal, we are always looking for ways to get our skin back to normal. To help you maintain a healthy and glowing skin, I've put together 5 tips and tricks that could set you on the right path to a perfect skin. Let's see what they are. Get enough sleep. Stress is one of the factors that may affect skin. Make sure you get enough sleep, at least 8 hours every night. During a sleep cycle, the body recovers itself from daily stress, and when you cut short those hours of sleep, the skin could age prematurely. Hydrate your skin from inside out. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day can really make a difference. Or, if you prefer something sweeter, I recommend around 5 servings of fresh fruits or vegetables. Don't forget about sunscreen. It's been widely known that prolonged sun exposure could damage the skin. So if you must really be in the sun, I recommend you apply a good sunscreen on your skin. Try to find something with an SPF of 30 and above. Keep your phone clean. Yes, you read that right. Your phone is the perfect breeding ground for tons of bacteria. When coming in contact with one's face, these bacteria can cause nasty breakouts. Mind the shower temperature. It's very tempting to just stay in the shower for dozens of minutes at a time. There's nothing as calming and refreshing as having that stream of hot water hit your face. In reality, all you need is 5 to 10 minutes of a lukewarm shower. Try to avoid using very hot water on your skin because this could lead to excessive dryness and even rashes. I truly believe that these 5 easy tricks could help you improve your skin and even your general well-being. That's why I plan to help as many people as possible. So what I did was perfect an easy yet powerful formula, which consists of amazing herbs such as Chanca Piedra, ginger, Burdock Root, Beetroot or Artichoke. I truly believe this formula is a work of art. After all my requirements were 100% met, we finally had the final product. Derma Prime Plus capsules are non-GMO and constantly verified for their purity and potency, as your well-being is our primary goal. Every capsule is made here, in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards. Derma Prime Plus capsules are non-GMO and safe. You can rest assured that they do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are not habit-forming. Before turning this formula into a supplement, I made sure that it is natural, with ingredients sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity and use no chemical treatments. Effective, mixing ingredients in the right way and in the right amount to keep their properties intact. Trustworthy, processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipment. I'm so confident that Derma Prime Plus works that I'm going to give you our bulletproof 60-day money-back guarantee. So just click the link in the description box below to make your choice, enter your payment details on our secure order form, and place the order now. We'll immediately ship your bottles directly to your home, free shipping.